Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I have something no one's ever seen in my hand before. A severely neglected knife. Got a new neighbor moved in. Told him what I did. He said, I've got a knife. I said, perfect for a restoration project. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to clean it up, sharpen it up, see how nice we can make this. Now we can see what kind of condition this knife is. Pretty rough. I'm going to open up the blades, show everyone what they look like. Pretty bad shape. What I intend on doing is cleaning these with a rust eraser, using several grits of sandpaper, polishing machine, and some Fritz polish. And when we're finished with that part, I'm going to sharpen both blades. One on the Professional Precision Adjust from Work Sharp. The second is the Work Sharp Ken Onion Edition Elite. We're going to do that. And then everyone can compare the difference in the blades and see which product serves you the best. Now I think we'll get started on this. I'm just going to do one blade at a time. That way it shortens the video just a little bit. It's not going to take a whole lot off of this. So we're going to go straight to the paper. This is a 120 grit. I think I'll lay it on this straw. See, it's cleaning up pretty good here. Now we'll go up to a 400 grit. You can see it's starting to look really nice. I'm not sure which size this is. I'll have to check and let everyone know. We're getting there. Now I'm going to open them both up and we're going to clean inside of this knife, and I will continue with the other side and do both blades, and then we'll move to the next phase on it. Now that I have some Otis surface prep with me, we're going to use this block and so on. We'll take this Otis spray. Let's spray this up really good. Let it soak here for just a minute. As I said, I'm just going to show one side of a knife right now, and then we'll come back and we'll work on the upper parts. So let it set for a moment. See, that's coming off. This is cleaning up. When we put the flits on it, when we get finished with all the cleaning and everything, you'll really see a difference. And I'm also going to put this on the polishing machine that I have. The people sent it to me. I thought this is perfect for knives, and that's what we're going to do with it. Let's see, let's use this little tool from Otis. Get all the gunk out of here. As you can see, this is Working pretty good. Now we're gonna see what kind of job we can do with this. I'm gonna try to do the outside before I do the blades. See, it's coming along good. Open it up so I can get to this part of the knife. And be very careful with this. One blade at a time, then we'll bring it over to this wheel. Wipe it off good so you don't cross-contaminate your wheels. This polishing machine comes from Pepe's. Very handy projects like this. And I was running this about 7,000 RPMs. It goes up to 8. Now we're going to see how it works on this. believe everyone can see now this cleaned up nice. Not bad considering how bad it was. I'm going to sharpen this blade on the Professional Precision Adjust. I have it set for 17 degrees, and I'm going to put it in this little knife attachment. And I like to line it up right here and make sure everything is not going to rub. And here's a little tip for you. If you haven't seen the video that I made on this demonstration, put a little mirror under here. This way you can see the bottom of your blade so you don't go too far, and you can also see a burr on it. I try to start out with the finest grit that will get me to finish without having to go to a rough one. This is a 400. We're going to see what we get here. I try to do about the same on each side. Let's do it, and that feels good there. I'm going to go to a 600. Yeah, if you get that burr, it's not that difficult. Time to go to the 800. It's a real strong magnet. Knife as steady as you can so you don't move the angle on it. Now I'm going to put this on the ceramic plate. I'm going to put this on, put a strop. Now that we're finished sharpening, I'll get a new piece of paper. We'll see just how sharp this is. If you'll remember, I said I wanted a toothy edge on one blade. This is it. Now we'll move on to the Ken Onion Elite. Now that I have the Ken Onion out here, we're going to do the other blade. I have a medium belt on here and set it 17 degrees as well. Should need but just a few passes on this one, and then we'll progress. Now we're going to put the thumb. Make sure everything's packing right. See, this does a great job on here. Let's put this belt on here. And I have this pulley in the medium setting. And we'll put this little strap belt on it. And I keep this one in a little baggie, that way the compound doesn't get anywhere. And this is the compound that I have on the straight razor strop. It's not the bar, it's a semi-liquid paste. I prefer it myself, it's a little bit finer. That's sharp. Now we've got that completed, I want to go over a couple of products with Flitz rifle, gun, and knife wax. Great product. We're going to put a little bit on this rag and put it on the outside of this knife and the blades. Doesn't take a whole lot. Probably not that much. I don't know how old this knife is, or I don't know the story on it. Open up the blades one at a time and put some wax on them. And be very careful on this. I believe everyone can see a vast contrast in this blade and the outside of this knife. White down in here too. I use several Fritz products. Depending on which knife I have, depends on which product I use on it. Now we'll have a few final words on this. Now we're going to put the KPL oil on here. Let's put a few drops down in here. Doesn't take much. This way your knife will be working great. Much better. Now I hope everyone's enjoyed this video, and I hope I taught them something. You can take one of these knives to the level you want. Just depends how much time you want to put in it. And I mentioned I wanted one of the blades a little toothy. That's for cutting zip ties and some heavy cardboard and stuff. The real fine blade was for fine cuts. Be looking for some more videos from the Bearded Sharpener. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.